Good morning, everybody. Andy here at Why Not Farms. So this morning we're taking a look at our garlic, and if you notice, some of the tips are starting to brown a little bit, and you have what's called the scapes that are starting to curl. And so one of the things you want to do is you want to cut the scapes so that the energy of the plant goes directly back down to the bulb instead of growing that scapes. And scapes are actually very good. You can cook with scapes. Many dishes, pesto, linguine, etc. Basically a lot of the same dishes that you would use garlic with. But people really enjoy those garlic scapes. And all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down here really close. One little snip. And there you go. You have your garlic scapes. So we're going to cut all these back today and hopefully make something delicious with them tomorrow. Have a great day.